Hello, this is Hemant sir and you are watching the chemistry lecture which is base chapter number 14, that is basic principles of organic chemistry. Session we will discuss chapter number 14, that is basic principles of organic chemistry. Subtopic will be introduction. 14.2 will be structural representation of organic molecules, then condensed formula, bond line formula or zigzag formula, and last one is the exercise. This few topic we will discover today, which is based on the basic principles of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means study of the carbon compound and its derivative. Here, carbon means study of the carbon is called as organic compound, and carbon having the tendency to form the cation. In this session, the introductory part is actually omitted according the new reduction syllabus, but the part is not bigger, so that I am not going to omit this introductory part. We know that the hydrocarbons means homologous series having the carbon atoms with the hydrogen, and it is started from the methane to decane, and this methane to decane having the one common atom, that is carbon. Carbon play very important role in organic chemistry. DNA having also carbon. DNA means diribose acid having billions of the carbon atom. Crude oil, which is extracted from the mine, means earth crust, which is extracted from the earth crust having the carbon atom, and is called as the hydrocarbons. Many industries like pharmaceutical industries, dyes industries, tire industries, rubber industries, petroleum industries, many industries based on the organic chemistry. Even a biological industry also based on the organic chemistry. Hence, the carbon play very important in our life. So let's see the point, that is methane. Methane having one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. The valency of the carbon is completely satisfied with the four hydrogen atom. The bond angle between the hydrogen is 109.5 minutes. This thick line, a dark black color line, and this dotted line, that is called as a wedge and dash, and hence this above structure is called as a three-dimensional structure of methane. Here, this dotted structure means bond going below the paper, and this thick line means bond projecting above the paper. Means this thick line is pointed towards the viewer, and this dotted line is completely opposite side of the viewer. This is the animated structure of the methane. This movement takes place like this way, and this is the next structure, that is DNA structure. DNA having billion of the carbon atom. DNA means diribose nucleic acid. Okay, let's see the next top out point, that is structural representation of organic molecule. Maybe in 10 you learned the structural formulae and electron dot structure of hydrocarbons. Correct? See here, this is the methane structure. A carbon atom completely bonded with the 4 hydrogen atom. A carbon and a hydrogen having the covalent bond. The dash formula represents simplified Lewis formula. This is dash formula. Means carbon and a hydrogen link with the dash. Hence it is dash formula. This carbon and a hydrogen having the covalent bond. And covalent bond means what? The interatomic linkage that result from the sharing of an electron pair between the two atoms. A covalent bond formed with the two atoms. One is a carbon and second is a hydrogen. To complete the duplet of hydrogen atom and to complete the octet of the carbon atom, they form the bond by sharing the pair of electron. A resulting bond is called as covalent bond. Okay. Next one is this is electronic dot structure, and it's having the dot and cross symbols. It is represent the electron and dot. Electronic dot structure of methane are also called Lewis structure, and the definition of this electronic dot structure is the electronic structure is the state of motion of electron in an electrostatic field created by the stationary nuclei. Means here the electrostatic force of attraction takes place between the nucleus of the carbon atom and hydrogen atom, resulting is electronic dot structure. Okay, let's see the next point, that is condense formula. Condense formula means it is a simplified structure with hiding of some or all the covalent bond and indicate the identical groups attached to an atom by a subscript, resulting is a condense formula. मीन्स कंडेंस फॉर्मूला को हम इन शॉर्ट में बोलना है, अगर एक लॉन्गेस्ट कंटिन्यूस चेन है हैविंग सेम आइडेंटिकल ग्रुप, तो उन सेम आइडेंटिकल ग्रुप को नंबर दिया जाएगा और इसमें जो बॉन्ड है वो हाइड कर दिया जाएगा. रिजल्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर विल बी कंडेंस फॉर्मूला. लेट्स सी the complete structural formula can be further simplified with hiding of some or all the covalent bond and indicating the number of identical groups attached to an atom by subscript. The resulting formula of compound is known as a condensed formula. For example, ethane. See here, in ethane, here CH3 bond CH3. Okay, so you can write here like this way, CH3 CH3. We hide here bond. Okay, so structural formula get converted into condensed formula by hiding the bond between the carbon. Here, let's see the few structures CH3 CH3 that we have seen up. Okay, this is ethene. Okay, ethane and ethene. These are the condensed structural formula. Okay, let's see the next, that is bond line formula. Yeah, we have the more examples of the condensed. See, C4H10. This is condensed formula of C4H10. C4H10 is the molecular formula of this structure. There are 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen atom. And this is condensed formula of C4H10 means butane. That is N butane. और उसका अगर structural formula में convert करना है तो ये ऐसा रहेगा. Okay, that is isobutane. C4H8O. Okay, ये हुआ आपका butanol. Why butanol? In these structures having one functional group, that is aldehyde. This is the functional group of this carbon chain, that is aldehyde. There are 4 carbon, 8 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen, hence it is a butanol. And this is the structural arrangement of butanol. Okay, both having the same carbon atom, hydrogen and oxygen, but difference is what? We hided the bond. We hided here bond. Okay, if you see carefully, both the structure having the same carbon atom, same hydrogen atom and same oxygen atom. Okay, by hiding the covalent bond, resulting will be condense. Okay, that is 2-methyl propanol is the IUPAC name. Next, that is C4H8. The condensed structure will be CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. That is 1 butene. Why 1 butene? ENE, because of double bond. Okay, and structural arrangement, that is 2 butene. ओके, ये डबल बॉन्ड आप इधर भी कर सकते हैं ऐसा और उसको बैलेंस कर सकते हैं ऐसा, समझ, और इधर बॉन्ड निकाल देंगे आप लोग. नेक्स्ट, दैट इज बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला और zigzag formula. Okay, bond line formula. A line representing the carbon-carbon bond. This line means this line represent carbon and carbon bond are drawn in like zigzag manner. Okay, the intersection of lines denotes a carbon atom bonded to an appropriate number of hydrogen which is satisfy the valency of the carbon atom. Let's see. In this representation of molecules, symbols of carbon and hydrogen atoms are not written. What happened in this structure? The symbols of carbon and hydrogen atoms are not written. लिखा नहीं जाता है carbon और hydrogen. The lines represent the carbon-carbon bond are drawn in a zigzag manner. and the terminal of the zigzag line represent the methyl group. The terminal of the zigzag line represent the methyl group. The intersection of line denotes a carbon atom bonded to an appropriate number of hydrogen which satisfy the tetravalency. This intersection is part of the intersection of the carbon which is fully satisfied with the 4 valency of the carbon atom. We have the examples. Propane. Propane is represented by the zigzag formula like this way. See, this is one carbon, this is second carbon, and this is third carbon. Okay, this is terminal carbon. This terminal means methyl group, and center is the CH2 group. What happened here? Here completely carbon and atom hide and arranged in zigzag line. Okay, suppose we have this structure. In this structure, this terminal means methyl group. This terminal means what? This terminal, This terminal means what? Methyl group. This terminal is also methyl group. There are how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carbon. Means the molecular formula of this zigzag structure is C4H10. And the name of this hydrocarbon is butane. And this is the representation of butane in zigzag formula. Okay. Here, however, the heteroatoms or hydrogen atom bonded to heteroatoms are written clearly. If the structures having the functional group or heteroatom, it is clearly mentioned. For example, the bond line formula of C2H5OH. These structures having the OH as a functional group. Hence, this should be clearly written at the terminal of this bond line structure. They are zigzag structure. There are 2 carbon, hence this is 1 carbon and this is second carbon. And this bond link with the oxygen and hydrogen. It is complete representation of C2H5OH. Okay. Let's see example, that is C4H10 C. C4H10 कैसे ड्रॉ किया गया है? ये एक कार्बन, दूसरा कार्बन है, तीसरा कार्बन है, चौथा कार्बन. In this structure there is a 4 carbon. Terminal is methyl. Okay, and the hydrogen is hided, but it is assumed the 4 valency of the carbon is completely satisfied with the hide hydrogen atom. Name is the butane. This is cyclobutane. This corner means carbon atom. Okay, completely the valency of the carbon is completely satisfied with the 4 hydrogen atom which is hided. Okay, let's see the few examples. CH2 CH CH2OH, that is prop2En1OL. This, okay, 1 2 3, that is prop2En OL. ओके, इसको हम लोगों ने डैश में कन्वर्ट किया तो आप लोग ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर लिख सकते हैं. दैट इज मिथॉक्सीथेन हो सकता है. ये एक स्ट्रक्चर है. ऑक्सीटेन. देखो ये स्ट्रक्चर आपको एग्जाम में पूछा नहीं जाएगा, जस्ट आपको कन्वर्ट कर, अगर पूछा जाएगा तो आप लोग खाली कन्वर्ट करो कि जिगजैग में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा बॉन्ड लाइन में कैसे होगा, कंडेंस में कैसे होगा. So these are the few example which shows the bond line structure या zigzag structure. Okay, these are the few structure. Yes, this is your textbook table. Dash formula, ये condense formula A, condense formula B, and bond line zigzag formula. Now look here, number one structure. Number one structure having 4 carbon and respective hydrogen atom attached with the covalent bond. And if you want to convert this into the condensed formula, resulting will be this. See CS and CSC at the terminal. और कॉमन क्या है, ये कॉमन देखो CS2 CH2 बोथ आर सेम, हेंस CH2 लिख दिया है कॉमन. और कितने बार है, 2 टाइम्स, हेंस इट इज CH3 इन ब्रैकेट CH2 2 CH3, दैट इज कंडेंस फार्मूला A. इसको आप लोग ऐसे कंडेंस कर सकते हैं. और नेक्स्ट ऐसे भी आप लोग कंडेंस कर सकते हैं. और इसको जिगजैग में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप लोग ऐसे कर सकते हैं, ये नंबर 1, ये नंबर 2, ये नंबर 3, ये नंबर 4. ओके, लेट्स सी हियर. इधर कितने कार्बन है, 1 2 3 4. ओके, there are 4 carbon and double bond formed in between the 2 and 3. The dash formula will be, with the help of this zigzag formula, you will get the dash formula like this way. C double bond C, like this. Okay, this is terminal methyl group, this is terminal methyl group. Okay, next one is the condensed formula will be CH3 CH CH3. There are 2 CH, hence out of the bracket having the 2. Okay, next one you can write condensed formula like this way also. Okay, next we have got the condensed formula. With the help of the condensed formula we can easily draw the dash formula. See here, this will be the dash formula. CH3 at the terminal, this one. CH2 2 times CH2, here the 1 and 2, and at the terminal having aldehyde group, hence CHO. Okay, next condensed will be CH3 CH2 CH2 CHO, and bond line structure will be, yeah, zigzag formula will be this way. Okay, now again we have condensed formula A. So with the help of the condensed formula A, we can easily draw the dash formula this way. Okay, CH3 CH2 CH3 and OH. Okay, this OH is attached with this CH group, and this CH3 is also attached with this CH3, hence the resulting will be this. Next condense will be this one, and zigzag like structure you will get like this. 1 1 2 3 4, तो आपको ऐसे मिलेगा 1 2 3 4 आया. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव इट, जो आपको खुद को करना है, इधर आप खुद करेंगे एज अ प्रैक्टिस. ओके, so a exercise is given to you. We have to solve this exercise. Question number A, answer the following: A, B and C. Okay, here we have to stop here because we have completed the major part of this topic, that is structural representation of organic molecule having dash and wedge structure. Then we have seen electronic dot structure, then condensed formula, then bond line formula or zigzag formula, Then we have seen the table and solved some structures and converted it. Okay, and this is exercise that you have to solve on your copy. Okay, if you have got any doubt regarding this exercise, you can drop the message in comment section of the Google Chemistry Google Classroom. Okay, bye bye, thank you.